Welcome to a GCSE higher tier exam question on simultaneous linear equations. Solve the simultaneous equations 3x plus 4y equals 200, 2x plus 3y equals 144. So we want to find the value of x and y that satisfy both those equations at the same time. We begin by numbering the equations 1 and 2. And we're going to use the elimination method. We're going to eliminate y by manipulating the equations so they both have the same number of y in them. Now the lowest number that 3 and 4 will go into is 12. So I'm going to make both equations have 12y. So the first equation, I'm going to multiply by 3. Equation 1 times 3. I multiply everything by 3. 3x times 3 is 9x. Plus 4y times 3 is plus 12y. And 200 times 3 is 600. And we'll call that one equation 3. Now the second equation, I need to multiply by 4 to have 12y. 2x times 4 is 8x. Plus 3y times 4 is plus 12y. 144 times 4, well 144 times 2 is 288, and if I double that again I'll get 576. And that's equation 4. Now I've got the same number of y in both equation 3 and equation 4. If I subtract one from the other, the y's will disappear. If the signs had been opposite, one positive, one negative, I would have added them to make them disappear. But if the signs are the same, either 2 pluses or 2 minuses, then subtraction is the way to eliminate them. So I'm going to say equation 3, take away equation 4. 9x take away 8x is x. 12y take away 12y disappears, that's why I'm doing it, equals 600 take away 576, 24. So there's the first part of the answer, x equals 24. I'm now going to substitute for x in any of the equations, and I'll substitute for x in equation 2. That one's got the least x's in it. 2x. Well, if x is 24, 2x will be 48. So I get 48 plus 3y equals 144. So 3y is equal to 144, and if I take the 48 the other side, it becomes minus 48. 3y equals 144 take away 48 is 96. So y is equal to 96 divided by 3, since I've got 3 of them. So y is equal to 32. So the answer, x equals 24, y equals 32. And just before we leave the question, let's check that works for both of them. 2 lots of 24 is 48, 3 lots of 32 is 96, 48 plus 96 is 144. What about the top one? 3 lots of 24 is 72, 4 lots of 32 is 128, and 128 plus 72 does give us 200. So we can be confident we've got the correct answers.